So it has been just over 2 weeks since I put down my pre-emergent and my first applications of fertilizer. The ProPeat on the front lawn, the XGRN in the back. And I think it's time for an update. I think this is probably a little overdue, but here's an update anyway. I want to show you what's going on, how things are looking, and it's time to mow again. So of course we're going to take advantage of that. So let's get started. I think the best place to start is the front yard. Still cutting it at 1 inch. As you can see, we're getting a really good color response. Color's really coming back. It's really coming out of dormancy. I haven't done a whole lot with it after the application. Of course, I've watered it in, and I think I've watered it once more, maybe twice after that. And I've put down humic and RGS. That's it. Nothing else. So that is a really nice color. I'm really happy with that. There's still some areas yet to fully come out of dormancy, still some high traffic areas that are still trying to recover, but overall, with where we're at right now, even this early, I'll take it. I like it. It's really good. Now the backyard's gotten even less attention than the front yard has, and it's still recovering very nicely. Just as good of a color. The color's even coming in deeper because I'm mowing taller back here, so you can really see the color. The XGRN is a really nice product. I'm really impressed with the color response. The grass is waking up nicely. Again, still some areas that have yet to really wake up. A couple of spots that I could probably rake out a little more. There's a lot of high traffic areas around the trampoline here that I'm still working on. I just finished raking up this area here, and so all of that will get vacuumed up with the mower. There are some areas right here around the trampoline where dirt was left over from the excavation, and those areas are already starting to fill in, especially over here on this side is really starting to fill in. You can really tell that the grass is starting to try and take over, and that's a great thing. So still some work to be done back here. Again, all I've done back here is XGRN and water. Actually, it has gotten an application of granular humic, the Humate product. That's it though, nothing else. So it's looking really good, and I'm super happy with it. So there you go. I'm really pleased with where everything's at right now, especially this early. I think it looks really good, and it's pretty awesome what just a little bit of effort and a couple of weeks time will do. As you can see, what my lawn looked like just a few weeks ago coming out of winter, and what it looks like a few weeks later now. So it doesn't really take much. It just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, and you're on your way. So from here, it's on to the next step and getting ready for the next step, which for me is sand. The yard needs to be more level than what it currently is, so I'm going to bring in some sand and spread it around, level this out the best I can, bring up a couple of lower spots, and just make it a better experience. I may do the backyard as well. We'll see. I haven't officially decided yet. The front yard for sure will happen. The backyard, I'm not sure yet. It would be nice to do it in the backyard. The backyard is quite bumpy, and bringing sand in would definitely help with that. So we'll see how it goes. Make sure you're subscribed, stay tuned, see what happens. I don't even know what's gonna happen at this point yet. So we'll find out together, won't we? So from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and mow. I do plan on getting down to 3/4 inch height of cut on the front yard. Not today, but in a future video. I think I'll just dedicate a video to that. It should be entertaining, so we'll see. But for now, we'll just go ahead and do a standard mow, 1 inch here, and then we're about 2 1/4 in the back, and we'll enjoy that. All right, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for me today. I hope that was a good update for you. I'm really happy with where things are right now. After mowing the backyard, I am leaning more towards doing sand back there. It's way more bumpy than I thought, and you only remember how bad it is when you're mowing it. So I might even dethatch some areas too. There's some areas that are still kind of matted down and need to be loosened up a little bit, get some airflow. We'll see how that goes. Lots of things that you can do right now. So I'm just gonna keep the options open, just kind of go with it, see what happens. So make sure you subscribe so that you can follow along and see what's going on over here. But with that, it's gonna go ahead and do it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.